We're here at Walt Disney World's Dolphin Resort. We booked a one-night stay here in the traditional rooms. So let's go in and take a look. We're in room 7050, and it's on the east side. And then when you come into the room, you have a closet here on the left. You'll find your ironing board and your safe. They also have in this closet extra pillow and blanket, and of course hanging space for all of your clothing that you will need to hang. Here's a little area where they're using it for beverages. You could also use it for your makeup area or whatever. Ice bucket. They provide water for you. They also provide coffee service. So here you're going to find, this is Starbucks, and they have the cup in here. It's a large basket, and you use the coffee maker. You have decaf and regular coffee, extra cups. Also in this area they have a magnifying mirror, so it's good for your makeup, contacts, whatever. On the other side is the entrance into your bathroom, and they have a nice tiled wall there and a glass countertop, single sink. They have their own products that they have here, the Gilchrist and Sons, is that how you say that? That's in the scent of warm oak. And they also provide to you some body lotion. Here's some extra glasses and cups. They also provide a hair dryer and extra towels. And here's your bathtub. Has a shower head. And also it has a clothesline, which is nice. So you can hang your wet items like your bathing suits, or maybe you got caught in the rain, maybe even an umbrella. So this tub is deep enough to soak those weary legs. Also in here you're going to see that they provide products and dispensers. So you have your body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. And if you bring your own, you have some little shelves where you can put those. Of course they have toilet and plenty of space to hang towels. So if you come out of the bathroom area, you're going to step into the bedroom area, and here you see you have two double beds. And Marriott, or this, I guess the Marriott brand in general, as I've read, claims to have this mattress called the Heavenly Bed. So I guess we'll find out how heavenly that is later. But we have two double beds. You can get two double beds or one king in these rooms. So we have two double beds, and in the middle we have a nightstand, a clock, telephone, and a lamp. On the lamp you'll see outlets and a USB port. It has shelving in the nightstand, so if you want to put your items down there so they're not on the top, that's where you can do that. On this side of the room, you're going to see your large television, nice top on the dresser to put whatever you need to get out of your pockets or that you might need during your stay. And then they have a dresser with four pretty deep drawers. We have a lamp with an outlet and USB on it. And then at the end of this dresser area is a door, and behind the door is a little refrigerator. We have two waters in here that they provided. I don't know if they do that all the time, but it's nice to have. It's big enough to hold a gallon of milk or soda or leftovers. The desk area, you can use it for a desk, or if you want to eat. It rolls so you can move it around the room. And then they have a chair there and a lamp. And then you have another chair in the room, so if you wanted to cozy that up to the table, you could do that as well. Now our room does not have a very nice view. We are looking out to the roof, actually. So, yeah, we'll give you a little shot of that. So here we have sheer curtains, and we have blackouts as well. So that's a look at room 7050 here at the Dolphin Resort.